kids, welcome back to Mini Mathematician. Today we are going to learn multiplication of two-digit number by a one-digit number without regrouping. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the multiplication sign. The sign X means multiplication. It is written between the two numbers that we want to multiply. Before we start, let's understand what multiplication without regrouping means. It means after multiplying each place value, we get a one-digit answer, so there is no number to carry to the next column. Let's look at our question. Since 23 is a two-digit number, it has place values, tens, ones. Remember, the number written on the top will be multiplied one by one with the number written below. Step 1. First, multiply the ones digit by 2. We can say 3 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 3. It doesn't matter. Both give the same answer, 6. Write 6 in the ones column. Step 2. Now multiply the tens digit by 2. 2 twos are 4. Write 4 in the tens column. So after multiplying 23 by 2, we get the answer 46. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mini Mathematician. Bye bye kids.